here we are, my 85 Corvette. It says it has a full tank, but I only put a gallon and a half in it. I have 0 RPM, and my foot is off the accelerator, and it's still revving. I barely have speedometer. If I hold the thing, let go, it kind of comes back, but we're gonna take it for a test drive and see what we can find. Enjoy the ride. We already lose gears? Okay, yep, we have already lost transmission. Let's see what we can do here. Shut it off, turn it back on, and crank it. There we go. Alright. Have reverse. Oh. Nope, we have lost reverse. How about drive? Do we have drive at all? Yep, okay, we have a little bit of drive. Okay. Damn it. Fucking stay up there. Goddamn piece of shit. There we go. I have to edit out the voice on this. Is working, kinda. Yeah, no. That's great. Shut it off. Back up. Gears again. The real troublesome part shit like that. Sounds coming from the rear. It's still trying to rev on its own, even though my foot's not on the gas. Turn. No gas, no gas. Give it a little gas. And nothing. Bring it to a full stop. Give it some gas. Nothing. Drop it down into first. Nothing. I can smell it burning. So we shut it off. One, two, three. Start it. Straight into drive, and it plunges into drive. Oh gosh, darn it. The best part is, so we'll do that. I'll give it a little bit of gas and we're driving and we're driving and we're driving, and we come to a stop. And everything on this car is pretty sound. And now it'll drive just fine.